Have you ever wished you could speak English as naturally and confidently as a native speaker? Imagine having the ability to sound fluent, clear, and effortless in any conversation. Shadowing is the secret technique that can make it happen, and it works faster than you might think. Let me give you a quick example of its power. Picture someone struggling with slow, choppy sentences, unsure of how to match the natural rhythm of English. Now imagine that same person practicing shadowing daily. After just a few weeks, they're speaking fluently with smooth transitions and accurate pronunciation, sounding just like a native speaker. That's the kind of transformation shadowing can bring to your English. If this sounds helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Together, we can all improve and sound more natural. Shadowing is one of the most effective techniques to train your brain and tongue to work together in harmony, just like a native English speaker. This method isn't about memorizing words or phrases. It's about truly mastering the natural flow of English speech. By shadowing, you immerse yourself in the rhythm, intonation, and connected speech patterns that native speakers use every day. It's a way to practice real-world communication, not just textbook language. When you shadow, you're actively improving your listening skills, pronunciation, and fluency all at the same time. You learn how to stress the right words, link them naturally, and speak with confidence. Over time, shadowing helps you sound less robotic and more authentic. It's like learning a song. You don't just read the lyrics, you feel the melody, timing, and rhythm. That's the magic of shadowing, and it's a powerful tool for anyone aiming to sound natural in English. If you're ready to sound more like a native English speaker, shadowing is the technique you need. Here's how you can practice it effectively, step by step. Step 1. Find the right material. The first step is to choose the right audio or video clip for your practice. Look for short segments from movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos featuring native speakers. Ideally, the clip should be 10 to 30 seconds long, so it's easy to focus on the details. Pick something that matches your skill level and interests. For example, a conversation scene in a movie or a short podcast about a topic you enjoy works perfectly. Make sure the audio is clear and the speaker uses natural conversational language. Step 2. Listen first. Before you start speaking, listen to the clip carefully. Pay attention to the way the speaker pronounces words, where they stress certain syllables, and how their tone rises and falls. Focus on the rhythm of their speech. Notice how some words are spoken quickly while others are emphasized. Understanding these patterns is key to mastering natural-sounding English. Replay the clip as many times as needed until you feel familiar with how it sounds. Step 3. Repeat without pausing. Now it's time to practice shadowing. Play the clip again, but this time, speak along with the speaker without pausing the audio. The goal is to repeat their words as soon as you hear them, mimicking their pronunciation, intonation, and speed as closely as possible. Imagine you're an echo following the speaker word for word. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. It's normal to need a few attempts to match their flow. Step 4. Refine and repeat. After your first round of shadowing, replay the clip and try again. Each time, focus on refining your pronunciation and intonation. Compare your speech to the original. Are there words or sounds you're not quite matching? If so, Slow down and practice those specific parts until they feel natural. Repetition is key here. The more you practice, the closer your speech will align with the native speakers. Over time, this process will train your brain and tongue to adopt the natural patterns of English speech. Bonus tip, record yourself. As you refine your shadowing technique, consider recording yourself while practicing. Listening to your recordings allows you to hear how you sound and identify areas for improvement. You'll be surprised at how quickly you progress when you regularly review your efforts. By following these steps, shadowing becomes a powerful tool for improving your English fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Remember, the more consistent you are, the more natural your speech will become. Keep practicing and you'll see amazing results in no time. Let's put shadowing into action. I want you to practice right now with me. I'm going to say a simple sentence, and I want you to repeat it exactly as you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and how the words connect. Ready? Try this with me. What's your name? Now it's your turn. Now let's break it down. Notice how in natural speech, the words what's in your connect smoothly, almost like was your name. This is the key to sounding more natural when you speak English. Let's do it one more time together. What's your name? Repeat after me. Great job. Do you see how the rhythm and connection between the words are so important? Shadowing helps you become aware of these subtle patterns, and with practice, you'll naturally start using them in your own conversations. Remember, shadowing isn't about perfection. It's about making progress. Every time you practice, you're getting closer to sounding more like a native speaker. The more you do it, the easier it will get. And soon speaking English naturally will feel second nature. So pick a clip you enjoy, whether it's a movie scene, a podcast, or a YouTube video, and start shadowing today. I'd love to hear how you're doing with this technique. Share your favorite clips or your shadowing progress in the comments below. Let's support each other on this learning journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who's also working on their English. Your support means so much to me, and it helps me keep creating videos that will help you improve. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Your English is going to sound amazing.